Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to merge duplicate contacts on the iPhone. To start, go to the contacts. Here, you'll find the duplicate contacts. Tap to open any of them. After that, tap on Edit on your top right. On scrolling down, you'll find the option of Link Contacts. Here, select the other duplicate number of the same contact. Tap on Link on your top right. Then you need to tap on Done. Here, as you can see, both the contacts have been linked. After that, again tap on Edit. Tap on Link Contacts option. Now select the other duplicate contact of the same number. Again, tap on Link. This contact has also been linked. After that, you need to repeat the same process to link other duplicate contacts. Once it is done, tap on Done from your top right. All of the numbers have been added to the same contact. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.